Oh, okay, guys, welcome to the building show. This is from building the lookout, your toy lookout. So this thing, so you need one elevator piece, 2 standing guys, 1 periscope, one fire pole, 1 fire pole piece, one elevator, one badge paw, one chase police car, one slide, and one control room, one construction guy. So they're reporting from the Paw Patrol Lookout from the that this time you need it from the figures and pieces. This time I have to do it right now. Okay? And now we're going to do it. We're going to build it. From the porting from this, first you need this. Before you put the control room on top of it, put the elevator inside the elevator piece. Okay, now you can. And now you can put the top on. This time, make sure you hear the snap on the environment, so it's connected in place. Wow. Just 2 snaps. Okay, now all you need is to stand. Now, if you move the elevator can't get out. Now this part, the standing pieces help. You have to make sure you hear 2 snaps, or just 1 snap. Watch. Just watch. Other word. Just still watch. Okay, recording for duty from the.
She's almost here.
Other side, Joshy. That goes on the other side.
Okay, let's try this again. Other side. Okay, and okay, now the other one. Make sure you hear 2 snaps or just 1 snap. So it's connected in place. Okay. Now this part. You need to put the paw here, right here. Put on the periscope. Then put on the periscope. Almost done. Then you're almost done. Okay, now you need this. So then, from this, you need to connect it right here. see the holes? I know. Okay, one more part. The slide. The last part is the slide. You have to curve it. First, you have to put it. You connect it from right over here. Okay. Now connect it from right here. If this slides out, put it back into place. Then you're done. But forgot the part. This part. If you forgot that, put it on the pole. Then put it into place. Then put it back into place. And then you're done. You know from this. You know that it was be fun.
Outro.
Outro. Now you know. Here's how to play with it. You know. Put a guy from this. You can move the guy as well. From this. Press the button for it. First, turn it on and press the button for a song. Press it again for Paw Patrol Lookout. But if it doesn't, press it until you get it. Then put the pup on there, and then move the elevator. One more, okay. From it. You have the police car as well. From it. Plan out a mission. Now plan out a mission. Then slide to the rescue. Okay, and then working the fire pole. Ryder slid slippery. Okay, that's it for playing with this. I'll see you next time. Bye.